I am Raj Bhattacharya, President of Patni Healthcare. And Patni Healthcare, as you all are aware, that they are the pioneers in Indian IT revolution, and now they are diversifying into healthcare. So healthcare, we are also into eye care. There is going to be a chain of eye care hospitals all across India. Our first center is in Madhamram, Calcutta, West Bengal. This Madhamram center, we are bringing the best of eye care in terms of very high-end infrastructure, quality manpower, and doctors who are all trained from All India Institute of Medical Science, New Delhi. This is one of the best eye care facility in this region, and this is not only going to serve the common urban people but also masses in the rural areas. So Madhamram is a very strategic location, as we all aware. It is a part of rural West Bengal and also a part of urban Calcutta. So this is a unique market where we are going to provide eye care services at a very affordable environment. At the same time, here in the facility we have got state-of-art technology, all imported from USA and Germany. The operation theatre is one of the best in the area in terms of operating microscope, which is DU160 with a 5-chip camera and recording system. We have got the best Alcon Infinity with Ozil technology and the FICO machine, and we have got a state-of-the-art OPD equipment. Most of them are from Carl Zeiss, Topcon and Leica. Backed by able hands of our doctors and the optometrists who are also highly trained in various modern eye care institutes. Post Madhamram, we will be going ahead with our expansion plan in Calcutta. We will be setting up at least 5 eye care centers in next 2 years' time. Our second center is just on its way and should be operational by June. And our third center in eye care will be coming up in Bombay by around mid-August. That's in Thane. So with this, we are just beginning our eye care journey, and I'm sure with the kind of surgical results which we are going to provide, this is going to be the new dawn in the world of eye care, and various other peripheral services of eye care will also be added on days to come. Thank you so much.
I am Dr. Preet Dattu, consultant diabetologist appointed here in QA Eye Care Hospital for last 3 months. Here I am running a diabetic clinic for last 3 months. QA Eye Care Hospitals, nothing is basically a referral eye care hospital in Madhamram and in surrounding areas. We are treating diabetic retinopathy and maculopathy elaborately.
Our focus will be the cost-effective, based, result-oriented service to the society. The doctors, here we are having both anterior segment and posterior segment. The technology and techniques, it is the latest technology and techniques we are having. In retina section, we are having Mardius for laser, DFA, then we are having the OCT, the serious OCT, 3D OCTs. In case of anterior segment, we are having this corneal topograph, then speculous biomicroscopy, we are having the latest biometry, and the FICO machine we are using over here, that is Infinity, the Ozil technology, that is the torsion FICO emulsification techniques. So in case of hard cataract, the cornea will be enhanced by the ultrasound effect of non-torsion FICO system. And the microscope we are using over here, that is issue 160, that is the latest microscope. Apart from this, glaucoma retina, we are cataract and retina, we are dealing with this glaucoma services, then pediatric ophthalmology, and also that low vision aids services. The doctors performing over here, they are taking all the challenges cases and the cases referred by the other doctors, those who are practicing individually, optometrists and other nearby hospital like municipality hospital, they are keeping on referring patient to us, and after getting benefit from here, we are sending the patient back to the individual hospital and municipality or other doctors who are sending to us.
Hi, myself Dr. Shubhajit Das. I have completed my fellowship from Shankara Chennai and now I have joined this hospital. QDI Hospital has the modern concept of total eye care. As a retina in charge, I am giving the retina service here, and here we have the best equipments available in the world till now. We have the JAIS OCT machine and the JAIS FFA machine, fundus fluorescent angiography machine and the ultrasonography machine. These are the machines through which you can diagnose all the retinal diseases. And we have the JAIS laser machine, indirect laser ophthalmoscope machine to treat the retinal disease. And for retinal surgery, we have got Constellation machine, which has 5000 cut rate to give the best possible result in retinal surgeries. We are giving the total diabetic eye care here. We are screening the patient, diabetic patient, to see whether there is some retinal disease is present or not in the eyes. If something is there, we are taking care of it. And whatever medical treatment and the surgical treatment, if needed, we can give here. Everything we are able to give here from retinal point of view. So please come and have an eye checkup here, and we will give you the maximum results.